If your GMC Sierra backup camera is showing a black screen or static, we can fix that right now. Over 60% of backup camera failures on 2014 models are caused by simple wiring harness corrosion. Before you buy a new camera, let's walk through the diagnostic process to save you money. First, ensure your parking brake is set and check the 10-amp fuse number 34 in the engine bay. The main harness plug under the tailgate is notorious for collecting road salt and moisture. Unplug the harness near your spare tire and look for green corrosion on the pins. Cleaning the connector is free, while a full camera replacement can cost over $150. A dealership might charge $400 for a fix you can often do yourself for the price of cleaner. If the camera is truly dead, you'll need to remove the tailgate cap to access the handle bolts. You only need a 10mm socket and some contact cleaner to get this job done. Remember, the harness near the spare tire is the most vulnerable spot on your Sierra. Clean those connections and get your eyes back on the road. Safe driving.